Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to explore the PlayStation 5 gaming kit. We'll take a look at what's included in the kit and how to set up the console itself. The kit is available for member libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks to support programming. You will need a TV or an HDMI monitor, and we have 18 games purchased and downloaded onto the console itself. So it comes in a green bin, just like this. And the first thing you'll find is a copy of the PLS video game lending policy. We also have a list and descriptions of all the games that are in the kit and downloaded onto the console. We've included the PlayStation Safety Guide, the Quick Start Guide, and a pamphlet on controller information. We have two CD games that are in the kit. The other games are on the console. We have four controllers. There are two different cables to plug in the controllers into the console. And then there is also the option to use the controller charger, and that plugs into the console as well. This is the PlayStation 5. And then for setup, we have the HDMI cable and the AC adapter. Let's take a look at how to set up the PlayStation 5. So the first step is we're going to take our AC adapter and we're going to plug one end into the back of the console and the other end into an outlet. Then we need our HDMI cable, and again, one end into the console, and the other end into either our monitor or TV. We're then going to choose a controller. So these are wireless controllers, and that's the charger. Or if we need to plug it in, we'll use the cord, and it plugs right into the front of the console so you can play if it's not charged. And then when we turn on the PS5 and turn on our monitor, it's all set up and ready to go. All right, so to play games on the PS5, for the CD games, we'll just take it and stick it right in the front here. And when we turn on the PS5, it's going to ask us to hit the PlayStation button, and that's just this middle button on the controller here. So we can pick the game that we've put in via disk, or we can choose one of the downloaded games, and I'll just click through a few of them here. So there's lots of games to choose from, and they're already on the PlayStation itself. PS5 programming can be a great way to attract more patrons into the library. However, we do ask that you do not leave the console unattended. We've included packing paper and bubble wrap when packing up the kit to send back to PLS headquarters. If you would like to request this kit, please contact Barb and we'll reserve a spot on the list. Please check out TrackPack to request additional PS5 games, and if you have any game requests or questions, you can contact me at dlatowski@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thank you.